As you can see, we're in my 1988 Nissan Hardbody. We just got it back in running state on the road after rebuilding the throttle body, which included the fuel injector O-rings, hopefully to stop some fuel presence in the engine oil. Without further ado, it's a beautiful fall evening, so let's fire her up, see if my repair is holding true, and enjoy some errands in the night in this really cool 80s pickup truck. The middle of September, so fall is upon us. While the days are still warm, the leaves are falling from the trees, and it's my favorite thing to drive through, so you'll see a bit of that. Sun's setting and we're making our way down the country road. It's a beautiful night and the D21 is running perfectly, so that's always great. So it's pretty easy to notice that the steering wheel in the truck is off a little bit, if not a lot, but this was caused on the recent mountain adventure where it either got a little knocked out of alignment or something was slightly bent. So while that's the next thing to do, it's still getting around just fine. As you can see by us cruising on this beautiful night. Maybe we'll go down here, see where this road takes us. Washboards in the gravel. The D21 does surprisingly well, especially since we put these 31-inch tires on. For any of you wondering what this little light is, it is for the washer fluid low level. It's too bad that you can't smell the fresh, brisk evening air through the screen of these country roads. This truck handles back roads like a dream. Just look at the color changing on the leaves of these trees. It's absolutely beautiful. It's the perfect drive for this truck now that we've got it put back together and running smoothly. I love this time of year for cruising in an old vehicle, listening to some oldies through the speakers, and take a look at the truck. This is the beautiful truck that we're cruising here in. These golden fields harvested and a beautiful 80s pickup paints the perfect picture tonight. getting a little later and a little darker, so less and less good for filming, but still enjoying the night, of course. And I just wanted to say I really appreciate you guys for tuning in.